Hi, it's Genesys Skye and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to be creating something random on my face. Let's get started. This is something new that I got. It's a Glam and Glow Good in Bed Passion Fruit Softening Night Cream. It feels... I always trap stop when I'm filming. Okay, so that stuff kind of feels a little tacky, but it also doesn't have the texture I'm looking for. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. I gravitate towards these ones because I feel like I can really... Oh. Okay. Oh no. Oh. It's like peeling off and like balling up. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is gross. That's like... Ew. These two products don't work well together. We're not off to a good start, but we're just gonna use the Neutrogena Hyaluronic Water Boosting Gel. Oh my god. Oh, there's still a little bit left. Also guys, I wanted to let you know that I do have Aquaphor on. This is literally my holy grail. I 100% believe in this and I use it every night and pretty much throughout the day, and it really just helps your lips to stay to stay moisturized throughout the whole day. It's great, so definitely suggest this to you guys. Moving on, I'm gonna use my Too Faced Poreless Primer. I'm gonna use Angel Veil. These two work together so well. I love how my skin feels after I use it. Feels not like oily, but it feels so velvety. Now we're dipping into 128 Fit Me Foundation, Matte and Poreless. Using my Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony. With my E30 Morphe brush, I'm just buffing in cavity into my crease and dragging it out into the shape of a wing. I'm gonna dip into Extraction. I'm gonna go in with Tongue Pop right under my eye. Now I'm gonna go in with Root Canal, also under my eye. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I really am liking it, but now I'm gonna cut the crease a little bit and we'll see what happens. Now I'm gonna try to recreate this on this side and I will be right back. I'm gonna set both of them with some MAC pigment, and this is in Rose. Okay, I've done both eyes now, and now I'm just going to add a little bit more dimension to the outer part with Coma. Just buff it out a little. This is the Bobbi Brown Luxe lip color in the shade Brocade, and I'm just gonna hit this right in the center. And I do have Aquaphor on, and that really helps to kind of even things out, and the product will apply a lot smoother. Now we're gonna do faux freckles. I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out, you guys, but I am gonna try my best. I'm using the 12 Flash Color palette. I got it off of Amazon. Alright guys, I finished off the look with some NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk in my waterline. And I threw some mascara on and some lashes. I'm just looking in the monitor like, damn, she did that. And that's it for the look. This is it. I used this shade and this shade and this shade and this shade and this shade. It's hard to do that backwards because everything's backwards in the monitor. I'm super happy with all of it. Cavity was like probably my favorite, the way it blended out, but like just all of it. Oh my god, everything just was like so amazing. JEFFREE Star Cosmetics is like so bomb, and I'm so happy that I have this palette, and I'm really glad that you guys were here to watch me do some art on my face. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like this video if you liked it, and ring that bell to be notified every time I post a new video. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!